Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. And this video I will show you how to adjust the blue tone of any images on Google Pixel mobiles. First of all, open your Google Photos and choose the required image you want to adjust the blue tone. Here you can see the edit option on the bottom side of this image. Tap on the edit option and scroll toward right to reach the adjust option. In the adjust option, scroll toward right to reach the blue tone option. Here you can see the blue tone. Tap on the blue tone. Here you can decrease or increase the blue tone of this image by swiping the toggle toward left or right. Choose the required blue tone of your image and tap on the done option on the bottom side. Now the settings is changed. Tap on the save copy option on the bottom right corner to save this image into your phone gallery. By doing this, you can make your images more attractive and beautiful on Google Pixel mobiles. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.